Stop creating YouTube videos one by one, because in this video, I am going to show you how to clone an entire monetized YouTube channel and generate your own videos automatically using a completely free Google AI tool. I am talking about scripts, voiceovers, visuals, hooks, thumbnails, even the full video structure generated for you in minutes. And the crazy part is that most creators have absolutely no idea this tool can even do this. Now let me show you something interesting.
Recently, I came across a faceless YouTube channel with no personal brand, no camera, and no fancy editing. Just simple stick figure visuals with an AI voice. But when I checked the analytics, I was honestly surprised. The channel had only a small number of uploads, but it was already generating thousands of dollars from ad revenue alone, which tells us something really important. The success of that channel wasn't coming from expensive production or complicated editing. It was coming from the formula behind the content. And today, that is exactly what we are going to replicate. A completely free Google tool most creators have never thought to use for YouTube. That tool is called Google NotebookLM. And if you have never heard of it before, don't worry. I am going to show you everything from the very beginning step by step. But before we even open the tool, there is one small setup step we need to do first that's going to save you a massive amount of time. A lot of people skip this and then wonder why the process feels slow. Don't be that person. Let me show you the right way to do it.
All right, let's get into it. The very first thing we need to do is find a proven channel that we can model. So go ahead and open YouTube. Now search for a faceless channel in any niche you want to work in. It could be psychology, personal finance, relationships, productivity, health, history, or anything else. But make sure the channel is already proven. Look for channels that are uploading consistently, getting good views using a repeatable format, and most importantly, using a simple editing style. Because the goal here is not to copy anyone. The goal is to understand what is already working and then build our own version around that same formula. Once you find the channel, click on the Videos tab. Now here's the problem. We need to collect at least 10 to 15 video links from this channel so NotebookLM can understand the channel properly. But copying every single video link one by one would take a lot of time. So instead of doing that manually, we are going to automate this part. Open a new tab and search for Grabbit Chrome extension. This is the extension we need. Click on it, add it to Chrome, and once it is installed, click on the Grabbit extension and open the settings. Scroll down until you see the option to add a new action. Click on that. Here, we need to set up the action that will help us copy multiple video URLs at once. For the mouse button, select left click. For the modifier key, you can select Alt for Windows or Option for Mac, depending on the device you are using. Now, for the most important part, choose the action type as Copy URLs to Clipboard. Once that is selected, click Save. And that's it. This is a one-time setup. From now on, whenever you want to collect multiple video links from any channel, you can use the same extension. Now go back to the YouTube channel we selected earlier. Make sure you are on the Videos tab. Now hold the modifier key you selected, either Alt or Options, and then left-click and drag over the videos. As you do this, Grabbit will automatically copy all the video links inside your selection. Try to collect at least 10 to 15 video links. The more videos you include, the better the output will be because NotebookLM will have more data to understand the channel's pattern, tone, hooks, and structure. Once the links are copied, we are ready to move to the main tool. Now open Google NotebookLM. Once you are logged using your Google account, you will land on this dashboard. This notebook will work like a smart research assistant. We are going to feed it the successful videos from the channel, and then it will help us understand exactly what is working behind those videos. Now click on websites and paste all of those links here. Let NotebookLM process all the sources properly. The more relevant sources you give it, the better and more original your final output will feel. This may look like a small thing, but when you start creating multiple videos and multiple notebooks, staying organized becomes very important. Once it's done giving us a summary, we have to save it as a note by clicking here. After it is saved, we have to click on these three dots and click Convert to Source to add it into Sources to add more clarity. Once all the sources are added, give your notebook a proper title. For example, if you are cloning a psychology channel, you can name it Psychology Channel Research. And remember, you don't have to limit this only to YouTube links. You can also add blog posts, articles, PDFs, research documents, or text samples related to your niche. Now we are going to reverse engineer the entire channel. Go to the chat section inside NotebookLM and give it this prompt. Tell it to understand the niche, audience, video topics, hooks, script structure, tone, title style, and CTA pattern. Once you enter the prompt, NotebookLM will go through all the videos and give you a complete breakdown of the channel. The prompt will be available in the description for you to use. This is the part where you get the actual formula. It will show you what kind of topics the channel uses, how the videos usually start, what kind of language they use, how they structure the middle part, and how they keep people watching. This is basically the channel's playbook decoded for you. Read this carefully and save it because we are going to use this information to build our own channel. Now, the first thing we need for our own channel is a name. So continue in the same chat and ask NotebookLM to generate 10 channel name ideas based on this niche and this content formula. It will give you different name ideas, usually with a short explanation of why each name fits. Pick the name you like the most, or use those ideas as inspiration to create your own. Once you have the channel name, continue again in the same chat and ask it to generate 10 viral video ideas for this channel. Now, this is where it becomes really useful. These ideas are not random ideas. They are based on the pattern of a channel that is already getting views. So instead of brainstorming from scratch, you are now building content around a proven formula. Once you get the 10 ideas, pick the strongest one. Now, we are going to create a separate notebook for that video. This is important because we don't want everything mixed inside one notebook. So copy the first video idea, including the title, hook, logic, and key concept, if NotebookLM gives you that. Now go up where it says Create Notebook to create a new one. Once you're inside this new notebook, paste the idea you copied right here so it can find relevant sources to this idea, which will help in later steps. While it's gathering up all the sources, you should name this notebook after the video title so it is easy to recognize later. Now this notebook is dedicated to one specific video. After that, click here to go back to the central dashboard and then to your main notebook, the one where we added all the channel videos. Paste this prompt, which will ask NotebookLM to generate a full YouTube script for the video idea you selected. Make sure you tell it to follow the same tone, structure, pacing, hooks, and audience psychology from the analyzed channel. Here you can tell it how long the video duration should be and hit enter. NotebookLM will now create a complete script for you. And when I say complete, I mean full sentences, natural pacing, and a structure that actually sounds like a real YouTube video. Now let's copy this script and go back to your video-specific notebook and add this script as another source. So now this notebook has both things: the original video idea, gathered sources, and the complete script. This is important because the next step is where NotebookLM turns this information into an actual video. And while this is processing, you can repeat the same workflow for your second video idea, third video idea, and so on. Now comes the most powerful part. Inside the video-specific notebook, look for the studio section. Here you will see different options like mind map, reports, slide deck, infographic, and more. For this workflow, click on the video overview. Before generating, open the settings or customization option. For the format, choose explainer because this works best for educational, faceless, and how-to content. For the language, choose the language of your audience. And for the visual style, whiteboard usually works really well for this type of channel because it looks clean, simple, and easy to follow. In the sources, you can see it has selected all the sources, but if you want, you can only keep the script selected. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Now NotebookLM will start creating the video. It will take your script, understand the content, create visuals, generate voiceover, add slides, and turn everything into a full video automatically. No timeline editing, no manual voiceover, no complicated animation. Everything happens inside the tool. Once the video is ready, preview it.
Is honestly deeply personal for a lot of us, yet it's absolutely fascinating from a psychological backup plan. Maybe it's, I don't know, scrolling Instagram and seeing a group photo from a...
You will see that it has a proper voiceover, visuals that match the script, and a complete flow that looks like a real faceless YouTube video. But we are not done yet. A good video still needs people to click on it. So now we need to optimize the metadata. Go back into the chat of your video-specific notebook and ask it to generate 10 click-worthy title ideas for this video. Now that's where all those sources will come into play, a crucial part in developing title options. Read all the options carefully and choose the one that feels the most clickable but still accurate to the content. After that, ask it to generate an SEO-optimized YouTube description for the same video. It has generated 3 different SEO-optimized descriptions for us to choose. Now, the final thing we need is the thumbnail. For that, we are going to use Canva, which is great for creating quick graphics. Search for ready-made thumbnails if you want, but we're making a custom design. Hit Create, search YouTube, thumbnail size, and boom, blank page ready to work with. Since our target channel has a simple and effective design strategy, we will follow it. Let's keep a white background. Now go to the text section and add a short, punchy thumbnail line. Keep it around 4 to 6 words. Make sure it clearly communicates the main idea of the video. Click here to align the text to the left. Use a bold font like Poppins because it is clean and easy to read. Let's make it uppercase. Now, we need to reduce the space between them and position them in a good spot. Now, to add a rectangle shape behind the text, go to Elements and search for it in Shapes. Adjust it around one of these words and use this option to position it behind the text. Use high contrast colors that you have previously selected, which in my case were purple. This makes the text pop and helps the thumbnail stand out on YouTube. After that, go to Elements and search for a sketch related to your topic. For example, I'm talking about a second chance mindset, where I believe an open door would suit best. Pick a simple graphic and place it on one side of the thumbnail. You can also add a shadow or glow effect to make it look more professional. And if you want to make the background look more modern, you can add light grid lines, adjust them to fit, and reduce their transparency. Now, zoom out and look at the thumbnail like a viewer. Ask yourself, if this appeared on my YouTube homepage, would I stop and click? If the answer is yes, your thumbnail is ready. Now you have everything. This type of thumbnail works really well for educational and psychology-style videos. All that is left is to upload the video to your channel and repeat the same process for the next video. And just like that, you now have the video idea, the script, the voiceover, the visuals, the title, the description, and the thumbnail all created using free AI tools. This is exactly why YouTube automation is shifting so fast right now. The creators who are going to win over the next few years won't be the ones working harder. They will be the ones building smarter systems. And the best part is that this entire workflow can be scaled. You can create multiple videos per day, build multiple channels, test different niches, and automate almost the entire production pipeline. So if you want to learn how to build AI-powered income systems like this, make sure to subscribe because we are only getting started. And if you want to take this even further, watch the next tutorial where I show you how to generate bulk AI videos automatically. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.